Hey, welcome to the Book of Wealth, and we're excited to kick off this journey of financial empowerment with you. Today, we're diving into the basics and introduction to financial education. Financial education is like the foundation of a skyscraper. It's what you build everything else upon. Imagine trying to construct a magnificent building without a solid base, it just wouldn't work. Similarly, creating wealth without understanding the basics of finance is a risky venture. So, why is financial education so important? Well, imagine this. You're starting a road trip to your dream destination. What's the first thing you do? You pull out a map or fire up your GPS. Financial education is that map. It helps you navigate the complex world of money. Speaking of navigation, let's talk about setting financial goals. Just like that road trip, you need a destination. Financial goals give you purpose and direction. They can be short-term, like saving for a vacation, or long-term, like planning for retirement. Now, let me give you a sneak peek into the exciting topics we'll explore together on this channel. We'll dive into Investing 101, where we'll decode the mysteries of stocks, bonds, and mutual funds. Financial planning is all about building a strong financial foundation, budgeting, saving, and managing debt. Real estate can be a goldmine if you know how to navigate it. Our real estate investing video will show you the ropes. And in cryptocurrency and blockchain, we'll explore the future of money and the technology behind it. Success leaves clues, and who better to learn from than the greats? In business success stories, we'll dissect the journeys of business moguls and extract priceless lessons for our own ventures. We'll also discuss personal finance, tax strategies, the psychology of money, and much more. This channel is your toolkit for financial success. Before you go, hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell. You won't want to miss any of our upcoming videos. Remember, just like any skill, building wealth through financial education takes time. So, stay curious, stay committed, and get ready to embark on a journey that could change your life. Thanks for joining me today, and I'll catch you in the next video.